The National Weather Service has tornado warning. Oh my god, who are you?
This is service of Filipino in North Korea. Katamoji Bobby Heat their giant robot in 1000 minutes. Again in the Ohio has the exploited children. The order has the 1000 minutes. Their truck explosion. The city in Golden Gate Bridge and following message. He so fast the Humvee abusing with boba.
This emergency action their Philippines map their look killing in the 1st of May 2015 after the Philippines a world war has been by warning for the national police the national for the children forget more the Katamoji Baba Heat.
Let's see, call Daniela to call. Daniel, are you there?
Yes Tom, oh my god, there many people, some wait for Katamoji Baba Heat, there many somewhere a purple skin emoji cat, thanks somebody touch me again, more the skin, how the white dress, okay. Have a good luck Tom.
All clear. The following message is transmitted by the request of the National Center States Government. This in all clear of Katamoji Bobby Heat by Never the rocket truck. The rocket ready, launch the screen. The Katamoji Bobby Heat robot has to destruction. They're all clear. The robot has the flying toward. Please stand by. This has robot destruction. The giant has fixed again. The many crash test army show up the destroyed city, but the never 4 room minutes for the Tom running has the Daniel and Oliver.
The following message is transmitted by the request of Chicago Police Department at approximately 10:34 Eastern Standard Time. Katamoji Baba Heat the 1000 killed. There launched the car. The warning for National Center missing children. Many children in 4 to 20. There no kill. 1 The Chicago Torton Highway in photos. Please missing the children in the school bus. Joey run fast after minutes. The United States in United States of America there. Destruction everything. The thunderstorm, the nuclear bomb. United States Army ready for Godzilla and giant Katamoji Baba Heat his back. Nuclear bomb to be explosion. The bomb nuclear nuke ready in North Korea. Everyone please missing the children there. Katamoji Baba Heat. Underwater Godzilla has to Rodan and Mothra.
A great famine fell upon the land.
Huh? Where am I?
Oh, dear brother. We are stranded in the middle of a deep, deep forest.
An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. The Allen County Sheriff investigating the abduction of 2 children from Fort Wayne, Indiana. Liana Hernandez is a 7-year-old orange bacon orange male, 3 feet 4 inches tall, long no hair, and black eye. Was last seen wearing a nightmare. A black nightglow. Renee Pastor is a 6-year-old orange male, 3 feet tall, no short, no hair, brown hair, has no grave. Was last seen wearing no short. The children were last seen at 670,843,639 in Fort Wayne and are believed to be in extreme danger. Fort Wayne is 125 miles north of Indianapolis. Allen Country. Katamoji Baba Heat the police department around 9 o'clock. Dad, wait for minutes. The National Center call police abusing with boba wearing brown skin and black shoes and orange eye.
In your house. It's, very tastefully decorated.
This is nothing. Wait till I take you to the mall.
Semi-sweet chocolate.
Please stand by the nuclear nuke. This message transmitted the request of the Canadian government. The nuclear nuke explosion. Godzilla over, ready to launch the Warjet giant robot. Strong the robot, the ready tripod and Rodan and Ultra Godzilla and Shin Godzilla, the all three. Godzilla ready, atomic breath, the 9 AM ready. This message, Godzilla come toward the nuke in United States of America, Washington DC, nuclear attach war. This is not a test, repeat, this is not a test. The White House toward the United States, the nuclear attack in 1.53.